I am one of the group to discuss Chapter 8, Main Memory. Let us start. Chapter 8, Main Memory. Memory Management, Background, Swapping, Continuous Memory Allocation, Segmentation, Pegging, Structure of the Page Table. Example, Intel 32 in 64-byte architectures. Example, ARM architectures. Objectives, to provide a detailed description of various ways to organize memory hardware. To discuss various memory management techniques include paging and segmentation. To provide a detailed description of the Intel Pentium which supports both pure segmentation and segmentation with pegging. Background. Program must be brought from disk into memory and placed within a process for it to be run. Main memory registers are only storage CPU can access directly. Memory unit only sees a stream of addresses plus read request or address plus data and write request. Registers access in one CPU clock or less. Main memory can take many cycles using a stall. Code sits between main memory and CPU registers. Protect of memory required to ensure correct operation. Ayan. Base and limit registers. A pair of base and limit registers define the logical address space. CPU must check every memory success generated in user mode to be sure it between base and limit for that user. This is an example of operating system running process. And the second is hardware address protection. Yung CPU address yan, yung base plus base limit yan. Example. Yung address binding. Programs on disk read to be brought into memory to execute form an input without support. Must be loaded into address 0. Inconvenient to a first user process physical address always at 0. How can it not be? Further addresses represented different way at different stages of a program's life. Yan yung process code addresses usually symbolic. Compiled code addresses bind relocatable addresses, i.e. 14 bytes from beginning of this module. Link of loaded relocated address and absolute addresses 74014. Each binding maps on address space to other. Binding of structure and data to memory. Address binding of structure and data to memory address can bind at 3 different stages. Compile time. If memory location no a priori, absolute code can be rejected. Most recompile code if starting location changes. Load time. Most generated relocatable code if memory location is not known at compile time. Execution time. Binding delay until runtime. If the process can be removed during its execution from one memory segment to another. Need hardware support to address map. Yan. Erase the limit registers. Yung multi-thread process of the user program. Ito yung example niya. Yan. Yung source program. Yan. Logical versus physical address space. The concept of a logical address space that is bound to a separate physical address space in central through proper memory management. Logical address and generated by the CPU, also referred to as virtual address. Physical address. Address seen with the memory until. Logical and physical addresses are the same in compile time and load time address binding schemes. Logical, virtual, and physical addresses differ in execution time address binding scheme. Yan. Logical address space is the set of all logical addresses generated by a program. Yung physical address space is the set of all physical addresses generated by a program. So, memory management until MMU or MMU. Hardware device that at runtime maps virtual to physical address. Many methods possible covered in the rest of the chapter. To start, considered sample schemes where the value in the relocation register is the added to every address generated by a user process at all time. It is sent to memory. Yan, yung base register, now called relocation registers, MSDOS. Or on until Intel 80 by 86 used for relocation registers. The user program deals with logical address. It never sees the real physical addresses. Execution time binding occurs when reference is made to location to memory. Location address bound physical addresses. Dynamic relocation. Using a relocation registers. Yan. Yung route 10 is not loaded until it's called. Better memory space utilization unused route is never loaded. All routines keep on disk in relocatable load format. Useful when large amount of code are need to handle infrequently occurring cases. No special support from the operation system is required. Yan. Dynamic linking. Static linking. System libraries and program code bind by the loader into binary program image. Dynamic linking. Linking postponed until execution time. Small piece of code stub used to locate the appropriate memory resident library routine. Stub replaces itself with the address of the routine and executes the routine. Operating system check if routine is in process. Memory address. If not address space, add to address space. Yan. Dynamic linking particularly used to libraries. System also known as shared libraries. Consider applicability, patching system libraries, version even needed. Swapping. Yan. Process can be swapped temporarily out of memory to a backup story and brought back into memory for continued execution. Total physical memory space or process can exceed physical memory. Backing store was disks large enough to accommodate copies of all memories image for all users. Most provide direct access to this memory image. Roll out, roll in, swapping the variant use of database scheduling algorithm. Lower priority process is swapped out so higher priority process can be loaded and executed. Major part of swap time is transfer time. Total transfer time is directly proportional of the amount of memory swap. System maintains already queue of ready to run process, which have memory image of this swapping. Those swap without process need to swap back into same physical addresses, depend on address binding method. Plus considered finding IO2 from user memory space. Modified version of swapping are found of many systems, i.e. in Unix, Linux, and Windows. Swapping normally disable. Started if more than threshold amount of memory allocated. Disable again once memory demand reduced below threshold. Yung schematic view of swapping, yan yung swap out of process P, yung process P babalik sa user space. Yan lang.
I'm Arong. I continue this part. Chapter 8. Context switch time including swapping. If next process to be put on CPU is not in memory, need to swap out a process and swap in target process. Context switch time can then be very high. 100 MB process swapping to hard disk with transfer rate of 50 megabytes seconds. Swap out time of 2000 ms. Flash swap and of same size process. Total context switch swapping component time of 4000 ms and 4 seconds. Can reduce if reduced size of memory swapped by knowing how much memory really being used. System called to inform OS of memory use via request a memory and release memory. Next, context switch time and swapping count. Other constraints as well on swapping. Pending I/O can swap out as I/O would occur to wrong process. And or always transfer I/O to kernel space then to I/O device known as double buffering adds overhead. Standard swapping not used in modern operating system, but modified versions common WAP only when free memory extremely low. Next, swapping on mobile systems. Not especially supported. Flash memory base, small amount of space, limited number of write cycles. 4 throughput between flash memory and CPU on mobile platform. Instead, use other methods to free memory if low. iOS as up to voluntarily release allocated memory. Read only data thrown out the reloaded from flash if needed. Failure to free can result in terminations. Android terminates apps if low free memory but first writes application state to plus for fast restart. And both OS, ES support paging and discussed below. Next page, continuous allocations. Main memory must support both OS and user processes. Limited resources must allocate efficiently. A continuous allocation is one early method. Main memory usually into two partitions. Resident operating system usually held in low memory with interrupt vector. Use processes then held in high memory. Each process contains a single continuous section in memory. Next page, continuous allocation count. Relocation register used to protect user processes from each other and from changing operation system, code, and data. Base register contain value of smallest physical address. Let register contains range of logical addresses. Each logical address must be less than the limit register. MMU, map logical address dynamically, and can then allow actions as kernel code being transcends in kernel changing size. Next, hardware supports for relocations in limit registers. This is a limit registers, and this locations register, and this is a CPU. This is a trap addressing error. These are conditions. If yes, you go to memory. If no, you go trap addressing error. That's all. And next, multiple partitions allocations. Multiple partitions allocations, degree of multi-programming limited by number of partitions. Variable partition size for efficiency, size to a given process needs. And whole, block of variable memory. Holes of various size are scattered throughout memory. When a process arrives, it is allocated memory from a hole large enough to accommodate it. And process existing frees is partitions, adjacent free partitions combined. Operating systems maintains inform about A. Allocated partitions, B. Free partitions, whole. This is a OS. This is a OS. Let's say this box. This is a OS. And process 5 and process 8, process 2. This is a OS to function this part. Okay. Next, dynamic storage allocations problem. How to satisfy a request to size n from a list of pre-holes. First, fit. Allocate the first hole that is being inert. And this fit. Allocate the smallest hole that is big enough. Must search in entire list unless ordered by size. These are procedures. The smallest leftover hole. Worst fit. Allocate the largest hole must Also search in entire list produce the large leftover whole. First space in best fit better than worst fit in term of space in storage utilizations. Next page. Uh, fragmentations. External fragmentations. Total memory space exists to satisfy a request, but it is not continuous. Internal fragmentations. Allocated memory may be larger than requested memory. This size difference is memory internal to partitions but not being used. First fit analysis reveals that given n block allocated 0 faint and block lost to fragmentations. 1/3 may be unusable 50% rule. And next, fragmentations count. Reduce external fragmentation by compactions. Shuffle memory contents to place all free memory together in one large block. Compactions is possible only if relocations is dynamic and is done at execution's time. I/O problem. Let's job and memory while it is involved in I/O. Do I/O only into OS buffers. Now, consider that backing store has same fragmentation problems. And next, segmentations. Memory management scheme that support use view of memory. A program is locations of segments. A segment is a logical unit such as main program, procedure, functions, method, object, local variables, and global variables, common block, stack, symbol table, array. This is a segment of logical unit such as. And next, user view of a program. This is a large logical address. This let's say circle, and you can say the stack, symbol, table, main program, sub runtime, square root. Okay, this is a logical address. Okay. Logical view of segmentations. This is a user space 1, 2, 3, 4, and physical memory space 1, 4, 2, 3. This is like a physical memory. Let's say that. And next, segmentations architecture. Logical address consists of a two tuple, segments number offset. Segments table map two-dimensional physical addresses its table entry has. NVES contains the starting physical addresses where the segments reside in memory. And limit specifies that length of the segment. Segment table with register STBR point to the segment table's location in memory. Segment table length register LR indicates number of segments used by a program. Segments number is legal if less than is TLR. Let's say next, segmentation architecture protections with its entry in segments table associate. First, validation bits equals 0, illegal segment. Next, read, write, execute privilege. Protections bits associated with segments code sharing occur at segment level. Since segment vary and link memory allocation is a dynamic storage allocations problem. A segmentation example is shown in the following diagram. Next, segmentations hardware. This is a CPU and trap addressing error. And physical memory is a limit-based segment table. And CPU, you go the addressing error if no. CPU, you go physical memory if yes. Okay? Right? And next, that's all. Paging. Physical addresses space of a process can be non-contiguous process is allocated physical memory whenever that later is available. First, avoid external fragmentations and avoids problem of varying size memory chunk. Divide physical memory into fixed size block called frames. Size is power of 2 between 512 bytes, 512 bytes, and 16 megabytes. Divide logical memory into blocks of same size called fades. Keep track of all pre-frames. To run a program of size and fades, need to find and pre-frame and load program. Set up a fades table to translate logical to physical addresses. Backing store likewise split into phases. Still have internal fragmentations. And next, address translations scan. Address generated by CPU is divided into phase number F used as an index into a phase table which contains base address of each phase in physical memory. Phase offset D combined with base address to define the physical memory address that is sent to the memory unit. This is a phase number and phase offset. But you can say phase number V, phase offset D, and M if phase number M negative N. P, phase offset D, N. And that's all. For given logical address space to M and phase size to N. Okay. So paging hardware. This is a CPU to connect these locations. PD and this part logical addresses. And you go the physical trace addresses And this part, P, you go the page table. This F, D, PD. This logical addresses, PD. And physical addresses, FD. To you go the physical memory. Okay, that's all. I proceed this part. Paging model of logical and physical memory. If logical memory, phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, and 3. Phase table 1, 4, 3, 7. Unique this part. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Prime number. This is a prime number in physical memory. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 2, phase 1, phase 3. That's all. Let's proceed this paging example. Logical memory. This is a paging example. And logical memory, phase table, physical memory. N equals 2 and M equals 4. 32 byte memory and 4 byte phase. This is an example. Okay. Paging count. Calculating internal fragmentations. Page size equals 2048 bytes and processes size 72,766 bytes and 35 pages plus 1,086 bytes. Internal fragmentations of 2048 negative 1086 equals 962 bytes. Worst case fragmentations equals 1 frame negative 1 byte. And on average fragmentations equals 1/2 frame size. So small frame size desirable. But is page table interticks memory to track page size growing over time. Solaris supports 2 page size, negative 8 kilobyte and 4 megabyte. Process, view, and physical memory now were different by implementation. Process can only access its own memory. Let's say this part, pre-frames. Pre-frames, a new process. This is a pre-frameless 15. Pre-frameless 14, 13, 18, 20, 15. Before allocation, after allocation. New process page table B and new process A and this part before allocation and this part after allocations. That's all. And next, implementation of page table. Page table is kept in main memory. Page table base register PTVR points to the page table. Page table length register PTLR indicates size of the page table. In this scheme, where data instruction access required 2 memory access, 1 for the page table and 1 for the data instructions. The 2 memory access problem can be solved by the use of a special fast lookup hardware that's called association memory or translation lock aside buffer TLBS. Implementations of feeds table count. Some TLBS store address space identifiers ASIDs in its LTLB in 3 uniquely identifies its process to provide address space protections for that process. Otherwise, need to flash at every context switch. LTBS typically small 64 to 1024 entries. On a TLB mesh value is loaded into the TLB for faster access next time. Replacement policies must be considered. Some entries can be wired down from permanent fast access. And next, associative memory. Associative memory parallel search page number, frame number, and addresses translation PD. If P is in associative register, get frame number out. Otherwise, get frame number from feeds table and memory. Okay, next, paging hardware with TLB. This is a CPU. This part logical addresses, and this part TLB mesh, and this part naman TLB is a page number, frame number, TLB height, you go the F, and TLB mesh is a FP, you go the F, and D physical addresses in physical memory. That's all. And you remember this CPU to connect to all location this part. Effective access time. Associative lookup equals paging time unit can be less than 10% of memory access time hit ratio equals A. Hit ratio a percentage of times that a feeds number is found in the associative register. Ratio relate to number of associative register considered A equals 80%, equals 20 ns for TLB search, 100 ns for memory access. Effective access time is a shortcut. Effective access time 1 plus paging and A plus 2 plus paging 1 negative A. Considered A equals 80%, equals 2 Ns for TLB search, 100 ns for memory access. Effective access time equals 0.80 times 100 plus 0.20 times 200 equals 100 ns. Consider more realistic hit ratio. 99% equals 20 ns for TLB search, 100 ns for memory access. Effective access time equals 0.99 times 100 plus 0.01 times 200 equals 101 ns. Memory protections. Memory protections implement by associating protections bit with its prim to indicate if read-only or read-write access is allowed. Can use add more bits to indicate feeds, execute only, and so on. Fetching invalid bit attached to its entry in the feeds table. If valid indicates that the associated feeds is in the process logical address space and is thus a legal feeds. Invalid indicates that the feeds is not in the process logical address space. Or use feeds table length register PTLR. Any violations result in a trap to the kernel. That's all. That's all my explanations.
Hi, I'm Cosmar Juntrible, and I would like to continue this report of page 48. This is a diagram of valid or invalid within a page table. Then next page is share code. One copy of read only, reentrant, code share among processes, i.e. text editors, compilers, Windows system. Similar to multiple threads sharing the same process space. Also useful for inter-process communication if sharing of read-write page is allowed. Next is private code and data. Each process keeps a separate copy of code and data. The page for the private code and data can appear anywhere in the logical address space. Then next is the diagram of share page example. This is the example of share page. Then this is the next structure. Next is structure of the page table. Memory structure for paging and gate hug using straightforward methods. Consider a 32-bit logical address space as on modern computer. Is page size of 4 KB. Then page table would have 1 million entries. 232 tapos 212. If each entry is 4 bytes, 4 MB of physical address space memory for page table alone, that amount of memory used to cause a lot. Don't want to allocate that contiguously in main memory. Hierarchical page. Hash page table. Inverted page table. Then next, hierarchical page table. First is break up the logical address space into multiple page table. Second is a simple technique is a two-level page table. And last is within the page table. Next is the diagram of two-level page table scheme. The diagram of page table scheme is first is outer page table, then go the page of page table, then last is memory. Two-level paging sample. Example of two paging is logical address. On 32-bit machine with 1K page size is divided into a page number consisting of 22 bytes, a page offset consisting of 10 bytes. Since the page table is page, the page number is 4, they're divided into a 12-byte page number, a 10-byte page offset. Those logical address is as follow. Page number and page offset. P1 is 12, P2 is 10, D is 10. Where P1 is an index into the outer page table, and P2 is the displacement within the page of the inner page table, known as forward map page table. Then next page is address translation scheme. This is diagram of address translation. First is logical address. P1, P2, D to go outer page table. Then outer page table to go the page of page table. Then plus is D. Then next is 64 byte logical address space. Even two-level paging scheme not suspense if page size is 4 KB. Then page table has 252 entries. If two-level scheme in your page table is called B to 10 4 bytes entries. Address would word look like. Outer page table has 242 entries or 244 bytes. One solution is to add a second outer page table. But in the following example, the second outer page table is still 234 bytes in size. And possibly for memory access to get to one physical memory location. Then next is three-level paging. Three-level paging, this is a diagram. First is outer page P1 is 42, inner page P2 is 10, offset D is 12. A second is outer page P1 is 32, outer page 2 P2 is 10, inner page is P3 10, offset D 12. And next is hash page tables. Common in address space 32 bytes. The virtual page number is hashed into a page table. This page table contains a chain of element hashing to the same location. Each elements contain 1, the virtual page number 2, the value of the map page frame 3, a pointer to the next element. Virtual page numbers are compared in this chain searching for a match. If a match is found, the corresponding physical frame is extracted. Variation for 64-bit addresses is clustered page table, similar to hash, but each entry refers to several pages, such as 16 rather than 1. Especially useful for sparse address space where memory references are non-contiguous and scattered. Next is a diagram of hash page table. This is a logical address to go hash function. The logical address is at to hash function, hash table, physical address, and physical memory. Next is inverted page table. Rather than each process having a page table and keeping track of all possible logical pages, track all physical pages. One entry for each real page of memory. Entry consists of the virtual address of the page stored in that real memory location, with information about the process that own that page. Decreases memory needed to store each page table, but increases time needed to search the table when a page reference occurs. Use as table to limit the search to one or at most a few page table entries. TLB can accelerate access, but how to implement shared memory? One mapping of virtual address to the shared physical address. Then, thank you. Next is another one of the group.
Hello, I'm Mark Joseph Vegas. I am one of the members of this report. So I will continue this report and go to the inverted page table architecture. So this is the CPU, and then this is the diagram process of inverted page table architecture. So this is the CPU, logical address, the PID, PD, and then go to the feed ID of the page table, then go to the ID of the physical address, and then go to the memory. So Oracle Sparse Solaris. Consider modern 64-bit operating system example of lightly integrated HW. So goals are efficiency, low overhead. Based on hasting but more complex. There are two hashes tables. So number one is one kernel and one for all user process. Each maps memory addresses from virtual to physical memory. Each entry represents the contiguous area of map virtual memory. More efficient than leaving in separate hash table entry for each page. Each entry has base address and stand indicating the number of page the entry represents. There are Oracle Sparse Solaris count. TLB holds translation table entries. TTA for fast hardware lookups. A cache of TTA reside in a translation storage buffer TSB, including an entry per recently accessed page. So what is virtual address? Virtual address reference causes of TLB search and Ms. Hardware walks the enemy of TSB looking for the TTA corresponding to the address. If much found, the CPU copies the TSB entry to the TLB and translation completes. If no match found, kernel interrupt to search the hash table. The kernel then creates a TTE from appropriate hash table and stores it is in the TSB interrupt. Handler return control to the MMU which completes the address translation. So this is the example of Intel 32 and 64-bit architecture. So first one is dominant industry chips. Number two is Pentium CPUs are 32-bit and called IA32 architecture. Then kernel and Intel CPUs are 64-bit and called IA64 architecture. Many variations of and the chips cover the main ideas here. Example of Intel IA32 architecture. Support for segmentation and segmentation with the paging. So each segment can be 4 gigabytes up to the 16 key segments per process. Divided into two partitions. First partition is first partition of the up to 8 key segments are private to process. Keep in local descriptor table or LDT is called local descriptor table. Second partition of up 8 key segments shared among all processes. Keep in global descriptor table or GDT. And then go to the example of the Intel IA32 architecture count. CPU generates logical address, then selector given the segmentation unit, which produce linear addresses. Linear addresses given the paging unit, which generates physical address and main memory. Paging units form equivalent of MMU. Page size can be 4 gigabytes or megabytes. Logical to physical address translation. This is the diagram of the logical and physical translation of IE32. So this is the CPU, the logical address segmentation unit, go to the linear address to paging unit, physical address to physical memory. So this is the page number. This is page number 1 and 2. So we have 10 pages each page. Page offset is. So enter IE30 segmentation logical address. Selector offset descriptor, segment descriptor, and 32-bit linear address. So into IE30 paging architecture. This is the diagram of IE32 paging architecture. So this is the page directory and logical address page table offset. Page directory and CR register and page register. This is the diagram of IE32 paging architecture. So Intel by 8664, current generation of Intel by 86 architecture, 64 bits is ginormous, greater than 16 exabytes. In practice is only implement 48-bit addressing. Page sizes of 4 kilobytes and 2 megabytes and 1 gigabytes. 4 levels of paging interacts can also use PAE. So virtual addresses are 48 bits and physical addresses are 52 bytes. This is the page map level 4 and page directory, pointer table, page directory, page table, and offset. So example of ERM architecture. So dominant mobile platform chip, Apple iOS and Google Android device for example. This is the outer page, inner page, and offset. So modern energy efficient 32-bit CPU and 4 KB and 16 KB pages. And 1 megabytes and 16 megabytes per page. Term sections. 1 level paging for section, 2 level for smaller page. 2 levels of TLB. Outer level has 2 micro, 12 with 1 data, 1 instruction. Inner is a single main TLB. First inner is checked on missed authors are checked and all missed page table work performed by CPU. So that's the report of our group and chapter 8, which is main memory. So this is the members of this group. Thank you. Thank you.
Ba't ko lang pangalan ko? Ito man tayo?
And these are the members.
Kung magkasabit ka lang, ulit ang panibang clearance o yung dati na? Yung dati pa rin.